Hi, this is Lin from Group 2. So I work on 3 tasks this week. First, I optimized the code for 2 dark patterns I'm responsible for. They are autoplay and promoted as. And then work on the emotional steering front end since it has a different user journey from other dark patterns. So I spent some time figuring it out. After that, I finished the implementation on that, then discussed the API response with the group and trying to restructure the prompts from the API response to display them on the EML page, so it works now. And lastly, I tried to use Jest and Selenium for testing, but it didn't really work well. And also tried to make our Chrome extension compatible with other browsers, such as Firefox. I found that solution, so if time allows, I will continue to try it out. And additionally, we also work on drafting the report structure together. So this is for this week. Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Ashish, Group 2 Dark Patterns Detection D23127120. So this week we are working on the remaining dark patterns, that is privacy, zuckering, and obstruction. In privacy zuckering, I did some research on what were the most convoluted settings in Twitter, and I would be working on making carousels out of them to display, as Professor Damien suggested. We're doing a carousel for privacy zuckering, and we're going to be displaying that. So I'd be trying to take care of that. Plus, I wanted to, in our group meetings, we discussed we might do a static list for carousels. For that, we might have to make a admin page and an administration panel in the website where we upload this stuff. So I'm looking into that. It's going to require database and a server-side language as well, which we're already doing to some extension. Not on the website, but on the extension, we are doing that already. Apart from that, we're trying to implement the original journey of EML. Just proving to be very difficult. If it doesn't happen this week, then I'm gonna leave it altogether, because it's too much time on just UI and just developing the final report along the way. That's it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Jashin. So this week our group are keep doing the integration of the developed functions. At the meantime, we are developing the content for privacy zuckering and obstruction because we want to provide useful information for the users. Although we cannot implement the detection. So at the same time, we are developing EML to make it provide more straightforward content to the users, and also develop the UI for EML to make it show on our extension. For my personal part, I keep doing the integration of infinite scrolling function, and also I put a timer into the result page. So that's pretty much what I do for this week.
Hello, my name is Habib Abdul Hamid and my student number is C19367821. After successfully creating a prompt for EML, I developed a prompt for the obstruction dark pattern. The purpose of this prompt was to make ChatGPT act as a guide to guide users through instances of obstruction they may encounter in X/Twitter. After finalizing a prompt for obstruction, I've been searching for a method to encrypt the ChatGPT API key my team is using to avoid deleting it every time we push code to GitHub. I discovered a potential solution on a website called Superbase, which was recommended by a mentor in a previous online meeting. When I presented this option to the team, they agreed it was promising. However, another teammate later found out that we could potentially achieve the same result using GitHub Actions. I'm currently evaluating both options to determine which one will best suit our needs.
My name's Jar Rodriguez, and I am a part of Group 2. This week I've actually been working on implementing privacy zuckering and obstruction, which I did manage to get done like Thursday, Friday night. So, it's a weird mix, but essentially I've started that with the carousel I think that everybody saw on Friday, and the obstruction page, which is a slight copy of the emotional steering functionality, but I have to do a few changes like that. And that's working right now. The main thing I've been working on actually was getting engagement notifications merged with the rest of the other functionalities. So we've actually got, I believe, 4 engagement notifications, autoplay, promoted ads, and emotional steering all merged together. And yeah.